government accountant. Currently, he is connected at the Don Honorio Ventura Technological State University in Bacolod, Pampanga. Tsaka po, malapit ang birthday, sir, sa October 16. In Financial and Management Services and the Chairman of Bids and Awards Committee. Ms. M. Lansang.
Thank you, Charm. Introduce niyo yung sarili. Hindi lang ako yung malapit yung birthday, ano? Mayroon mas pinakamalapit si Charm. October 14.
Wow!
Sa Facebook.
Okay, this is an inspirational message, at the same time, a concluding statement. And of course, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone in extending their cooperation in this class, especially the class officers headed by your class president, G, the working committees to make this get-together a realization to our activity. You know, as if we are just starting, and now we are about to end. I hope you learned something in this course.
Yes.
That can be applied in your everyday living, particularly the money that you save. You can spend them wisely. Rest assured that I will be considering humanistic, compassionate in reading your papers and in giving you grades. Because I love this class so much. Don't worry, I also said this in my previous class. I would like to share a passage which runs like this. In life, you may not always get what you want. You may not always get what you need. But you can get what you deserve. Because God always gives you what is best for you. I know the sacrifices that you are currently experiencing. But no matter how dark the beginning, one who strives can reach the sun. Do you agree?
Yes!
Okay. So my dear students, my friends, let's enjoy this get-together. And just remember, together we stand, divided we fall. Thank you so much.